Imagine you're planning a dream vacation to a destination you've always wanted to visit. You've got a clear idea of where you're going, how long you'll stay, and what activities you want to do. Now, instead of a vacation, let's talk about a financial plan, a 30-minute template that will help you navigate your financial journey and achieve your long-term goals. A financial plan is like creating a roadmap for your money. It helps you understand where you are, where you want to go, and how you'll get there. With the right tools and mindset, you can create a personalized plan that suits your lifestyle, risk tolerance, and financial goals. To start, let's break down the essential components of a financial plan. Think of it as a 30-minute template, divided into 6 key areas. 1. Assess your current financial situation. 2. Set clear financial goals. 3. Determine your risk tolerance. 4. Allocate your assets. 5. Create an emergency fund. And 6. Develop a long-term investment strategy. Let's begin.